Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. This is Watercolor rectangle photo mask. You can easily download the link in the description, and this is video tutorial link. And here watercolor rectangle shapes photo mask, and these are images, and you can see as these are PNG format, high quality images, and are almost 21 or 20. This is link, and here these are photos. These are an examples. You can see them as you edit like that. The download link in the description. Just need to click this link and you reach my website bulk GFX, and here in this post you can download it from here, and this is about the post you're gonna download, and you can download other graphic templates and other graphic data from this website. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, also like this video. Take care.